Gum recontouring is necessary sometimes. My second oldest boy, when he came out of braces, you know, they're putting kids in braces younger and younger these days, and you know, they're snacking, and then with the braces on there, they, you know, it gets a little inflamed, and you know, kids are snacking. They're not the best at brushing, even the dentist kids, and the gums get a little puffy. And when he came out of his braces, to a minimal degree, to a little degree, looked like his teeth were a little short, but they really weren't. It was that the gums had kind of grown down. So I just made it numb and re-scalloped that area, and boy, it looks great. Now, in cosmetic situations, you'll have patients that, you know, maybe they have teeth that are misaligned, and the gum level heights are different. So you could put a bunch of crowns there, but then the gum levels are all wrong. So what we'll go through is recontour them and make that nice arc, and make the teeth fit that nice arc. Everybody asks, well, how do you get a Hollywood smile? Tom Cruise is a great example of it. If you'll look, when he first came as an actor, I mean, he didn't have a great smile. In the close-up shots, you know, his canines were way up, and his gum line was all up and down. And his teeth weren't straight at all. Now, since that time, he's had some cosmetic dentistry, but that's easy and fun to do.